Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss some problems from NET June 20, that is 2017. It is given that L equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by nth square root n factorial, and then the value of L is given in 4 options. So we have to find this. So from this we can write L equal to limit n tends to infinity, and this can be written as n factorial, so which is to the power 1 by n. This means, so it can be written as limit n tends to infinity an to the power 1 by n, where an is 1 by n factorial. Okay, so we know that this limit and this limit is same. This limit and this limit is same. So as an equal to this, so an plus 1 will be 1 by n plus 1 factorial. So therefore we get from this n tends to infinity. So this will be 1 by n plus 1 factorial, and this will be n factorial. So therefore n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n factorial. So n factorial and factorial cancel out. So 1 by this, if we put n tends to infinity, so this will be 1 by infinity, that is 0. So therefore we get L equal to 0. Okay, so option A is right. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will help you for your upcoming NET exam. So thank you very much.